If you want to light a fire, you might want to check out these. What's happening, Panda Nation? This is Peter Von Panda here with some Duraflame Firestarters. Now, I took a quick look at this because they aren't that expensive, and I certainly like to have a little fire here, keep me warm and toasty in the cold winter, and I sometimes use the Duraflame logs. They're really nice because they're kind of a set it and forget it. You get 3-4 hours of burn time. It's like having a fire without actually having to load up any wood. But if you do have wood, like I do down here, you don't really need the whole Duraflame log, and I found these, and to me, it's funny because they actually look like little Duraflame logs, which probably shouldn't surprise you. So here's what they look like, and as you can see, if I didn't have my hand here, you might think, man, that is a Duraflame log. But I do have my hand here, and I don't have giant hands, I have medium-sized hands. Size doesn't matter. Duraflame Firestarter Indoor Outdoor. It's kind of the size of a TV remote control or a king-size Snickers bar or something like that. It's a little thicker. You can see it lights the same way. You light the package, you put it down. As far as I can feel, there is a trough on the top of the log right here underneath the front of the packaging. So what that does is it helps get flame all along the Firestarter. Now, the way you're supposed to use this is actually to sandwich it between two logs. And then I think it might burn for 15-20 minutes maybe, but that should be enough flame to get your logs lit and burning on their own. So let's give it a try and see if we can get a fire started. All right, so the way it says to use this is to take the fire starter here and actually pull the sides away a little bit. Place a log at the back of your fireplace, and then you want to put this up against that log. So I'm gonna just put it right there. Got some ash already there, and then you want to light it and then put another log on front of it once it's lit, and it'll kind of burn from the inside and hopefully get both of those logs burning. So let's try it. Just use a lighter here, light it right where it's marked. All right, got it lit. Kind of go up a little in a little bit more of a frenzy. Seems to be burning pretty good there. And you can see that log inside. It looks just like a Duraflame log, just a small snack pack size of it. Now you can see there's a channel on the backside there too, so pretty cool. So now what I'll do is I'll give it just a minute here to kind of catch on fire, make sure that log is burning, and then I'll put another log in front of it and we'll check in on it. Now it's caught on fire here. It's only been about a minute, so it catches pretty quickly here. And now what the instructions say to do is to lay another log right in front of it, but I don't want to block the air to it. And so what I am actually going to do here is I'm just going to take this log and I'm going to lay it across the flame like this. So I know that's not exactly what the instructions say to do, but that's what I'm going to do because I am a rule breaker. So let's give this a little while and check in on it. All right, it's been 15 minutes and that fire starter is still going. You can see it back there. It's still burning. So it will definitely burn for 15 minutes. I mean, it's kind of a nice little thing that you can take with you on a camping trip and have a small little fire starter that's going to actually burn for quite a while. I actually threw another log on there, but as you can see, it is starting to burn everything, which is really nice. And it's kind of nice, especially because, you know, for some of us that have firewood that use fat wood or other fire starters or have to chop up a bunch of kindling or something, it's just a really nice convenient way to get these suckers lit. And I will tell you that this box here of 12 fire starters is only like $10, so it's actually really affordable as well. So if you want to pick up these fire starters for your next romantic fire lit evening, I will put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda out.